Very good morning, friends. Now, the next types which are important from UPSC point of view, where you should collect information are first one is Indian values, culture, and principle. These points are important for your general studies one also. Remember, do not neglect the culture part of your UPSC preparation, as I found many students do not prepare for this topic. Why? The most important reason is all the students who prepare for this culture, they feel that this culture is more difficult, more boring, and very difficult to remember. But your range of marks is decided based on first 2 to 3 questions you are going to write. So it is compulsory for everyone who wants to get a very good post in UPSC to write first 2 to 3 questions of culture question compulsorily. Leave, if you do not get time, leave any other topic of optional, doesn't make any difference. But in GS1, we should focus compulsory on culture part, which is the most important part and which will help you to score a very good marks in essay. Then what it says, see, a people that values its privileges above its principles loses both. Very, very important point for ethics. Second, Indian culture today, whether it is a myth or reality, very important part. Then third, modernism and our traditional socio-ethical values, the composite culture of India. See, almost same topics are there, only focus has been different, only demand has been different. In this way, you can focus on these areas. Then the Indian society at the crossroads, very, very important. Those who have habit of reading many books, those who are not caught in reading just only traditional books, they can write a very good essay. From traditional Indian philanthropy to Gates Buffett model, a natural progression or a paradigm shift, very, very important. An essay of 2010, which gave very good marks to many officers. I was writing this essay. It was one of the best essay. I will be discussing this essay. Then new cults and godmen, a threat to traditional religion, which we have seen recently. Many godmen right now have been jailed on the allegations of rape and bigotry and all other kinds of crimes. Then next, the most important area which needs urgent attention, not from civil service aspirant, but also from civil services, from the regulator, from government, from judiciary, and from civil society. This media needs an urgent attention, which is also the focus area of UPSC when asking the question. They are media, TV, and cinema. Now, responsibility of media in a democracy, very interesting essay of 2002. Then, role of media in good governance. Then, does Indian cinema shape our popular culture or merely reflect it? I will taking this essay where I will tell you how the cinema has shifted and how the shift in cinema has shown that the prevalent culture of that time. Like you can see the movies of Amitabh Bachchan, Coolie, which reflected the trade unionist movement of that prevalent time period. I will be discussing all these things with relevant examples. Then, how has satellite television brought about cultural change in Indian mindset? Very important. Is sting operation an invasion on privacy? The next one, mass media and cultural invasion. I know 90% of you may not know the correct definition of mass media. Know about all the types of media, what is media, what are definitions of mass media. The misinterpretation and misuse of freedom in India. Remember, if you want to write a very good essay, you should have a clear-cut definition of every word in your mind in a very clear manner. Then, growth versus development, the most important aspect of environmental development, which needs to be focused by everyone. Poverty anywhere is a threat to prosperity everywhere. Again, interesting topic. Second, digital economy, a leveler or a source of economic inequality. Very interesting. Innovation is the key determinant of economic growth and social welfare, which is mostly lacking in India. The next one, near jobless growth in India, an anomaly or an outcome of economic reforms. Very important essay of 2016, which showed increasing or rising inequalities in India, which acted as a damage to Indian economy and Indian society also. Crisis faced in India, whether they are moral crisis or economic crisis, whatever crisis we are facing recently, what are the nature of these crises? Then, was it the policy paralysis or paralysis of implementation which slowed the growth of our country? Policy paralysis, most important topic that was being focused by UPSC in 2014 when we were lacking all these boost or all these kinds of impetus to Indian growth story. Then GDP, gross domestic product, along with GDH, gross domestic happiness, would be the right indices for judging well-being of a country, the most important thing. Then, can capitalism bring inclusive growth? Then, resources management in the Indian context, resource management. Why Indian context is important? In this case, take a page. On that page, make a list of characters of India. Social characters of India, economic characters of India, then political characters of India, demographic characters of India, and then link this everything, capitalism, socialism, with these characters of India in positive manner, negative manner, and try to give solution. You will get a ready-made formula to score good marks in essay. Then next is environment versus development. That is, it is part of sustainable development. Ecological considerations need not hamper development. It means when we are going to have development, we should not neglect ecological considerations. Then protection of ecology and environment is essential for sustainable economic development. It is not only sustainable development, sustained, persistent, consistent economic development is possible only if we focus ecology and environment. Then, should moratorium be imposed on all fresh minings in tribal areas of the country? It is a straightforward question. I told you, you have to take stand, but that stand should not be anti-developmental. Then, urbanization is a blessing in disguise. Urbanization and its hazard. Then, alternative technologies for climate change resilient India. Now, those who are writing this essay, they will score very good marks if you have very innovative answer, if you have very innovative case studies available with you. Clear? So that's why when you are reading newspaper, don't read newspaper for the sake of reading newspaper. While reading newspaper, you should focus on what are the innovative things that you can put in essay. Every time you should think that whether I can put this news in my GS, in my essay, or where I can put this so that you will score good marks. Then next one is about multinational corporations, multinational companies, and corporate world and globalization. See, globalization would finish small scale industries in India. A report came in 2006 where they got the question. Multinational corporations, whether saviors or saboteurs in India. Special economic zone, a boon or bane. It was current relevance as we passed SAYS Act in the year 2005. So you have to go through all recent economic acts passed by Government of India having wide reaching consequences, and you can expect an essay on that economic decision. Is the criticism that the public-private partnership model for development is more of a bane than a boon in Indian context justified? This was a question I wrote. This was my last mains in 2012 and I got almost 115 marks out of 200. This was the last when pattern started changing. Then economic sectors. Farming has lost the ability to be a source of subsistence for majority of farmers in India. Now, you can expect that you will definitely get 1 or 2 essays on farming. So whenever you are going to prepare for farming, search Yojana or Kurukshetra magazine on farming and collect important data. You will get all the Yojana and Kurukshetra magazines in a PDF format on internet. Take that Yojana Kurukshetra and search for good language, good introductions, good conclusions, important factual data which you can use in the essay. Then BPO boom in India. The next one, tourism. Can this be the next big thing for India? See, this is again, it can tap your potential to write very innovative things about the tourism in India. Then, are our traditional handicraft doomed to a slow death? Next, education-based essay, the most important areas. Education and its related dimensions. Destiny of a nation is shaped in its classrooms. Very important. This was the headline of our editorial. Then, education without values, as useful as it is, seems rather to make a man more clever devil. Independent thinking should be encouraged right from the childhood. It is an essay of 2007. Are the standardized test good measures of academic ability or progress? This year you can expect an essay on that white hat junior type of essay, whether it is positive or coding and decoding, which is going on rightly, controversy going on. You can expect an essay on that white hat junior, and also you can expect on essay on whatever online coachings going on, whether it is good, bad, where it will take to Indian education sector, who will be left out of the system if this online education system becomes the central theme of entire education system in India. Then irrelevance of the classroom, very very important. Think about this essay, and if possible try to write the essay. Very important essay can be written on irrelevance of the classroom. Is the growing level of competition good for the youth? Competition, many times there are two types of competitions are there. One is positive competition, second is negative competition. When a competition allows a person to develop his growth potential, it is a positive competition. And the competition which do not allow a person to have his or her growth, and which what we can say makes him or her more and more pessimistic, it is a negative competition. Then literacy is growing very fast, but there is no corresponding growth in education. What is basic difference between literacy, education? And I will give you additional word. If possible, try to search it on internet. It is functional literacy. Then, is an egalitarian society possible by educating the masses? Egalitarian society is not always about modern society. Even a tribal society, I won't use the word even. Tribal societies are also egalitarian societies. Why? Because the word egalitarian is open-ended, and it is based on the what we can say liberality of your thinking and your relevance. What is the real education? Then education and related scheme. It happens that government UPSC also asks question on the schemes. It is education for all campaign in India, whether it is a myth or reality. Then second one, restructuring of Indian education system. Recently, we have new education policy. So you can definitely expect one question on education this year. So try to search all dimensions relevant with the education system. I will be discussing, if possible, I will be taking as many possible essays on the education system. Then higher education. Privatization of higher education in India, which is going on right now. Privatization is also a keyword where you can expect a good essay. Then credit-based higher education system, status, opportunities and challenges in India. This was important essay. So we'll go for these kinds of essay. Next lecture we'll be discussing on philosophical and code-based essays where you could score a very good marks. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.